Hello friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, how do you change the stock ROM, or you can say firmware or operating system of your Android smartphone? How do you flash the Android OS of your Android smartphone? So in order to do that, you need a laptop, your smartphone one that you want to flash, and you need a good working data cable. So just three things you need. So what you're gonna do, guys, at first you just have to turn on your smartphone and go to setting and check the model number of your smartphone. Or if you do not know the model number, you can check through the settings, or you can see at the bottom of your smartphone. So you can see the model number is XT1721. So you can check it at the bottom of your smartphone. It's a below battery, or you can go and check through setting. So there are only two ways you can get the model number of your smartphone, and you know the brand of your smartphone. Now the next step, you have to download some of the files. You have to download the stock ROM. So you'll download the zip file. Later on you have to extract it. So if you do not have a zip opener, you can even download the zip opener from the computer, from the internet. You need a SP flash tool to flash. You can just extract it. You'll download a zip file, and then you need a Vcom driver. So if you're using a Windows 10, you can download the Vcom driver for Windows 10. And whichever laptop you are using, or you can download the Vcom driver for whichever Windows 10, Windows 7, or whatever device or laptop you are using. You can search for the Vcom driver on the internet for that particular device, and you can download it. So three things: ROM. You need a stock ROM for the device, Android device. It's a operating system for the Android device, and SP flash tool, and Vcom driver. So three things you need to download. So guys, you just have to open the browser, and once you open the browser, you need to go to the search, and you can see my smartphone right now. I'm going to flash is the Motorola. It's a XT1721. So I can search for Motorola XT1721 flash file, or instead of flash file, even you can search for stock ROM. It's a ST. You can search for STOCK stock. So you can type like this, stock ROM. So you can search for the flash file. You can search for the stock ROM. Even you can type the firmware. Even you can give the name firmware. It is even known as firmware. You can search for Motorola XT1721 firmware. So flash file, stock ROM, firmware is the same thing. So do not get confused with that. So if your phone is different than this, if you are using a Samsung phone, if you are using a several other brand, and if it is a different other model number, so you can go to the setting and get the brand name, and you should get the model number. Even if you know the Android version, you can type the Android version, and you can search for the stock ROM. So next thing you need is SP. So the next thing you need is the SP flash tool. So now you can search for the SP flash tool download. You can download the SP flash tool for Windows 7 or Windows 10 or whichever device you are using. So there are a number of ways from where you can download the SP flash tool. You can see there are the number of ways from where you can download the SP flash tool. So visit any web and you can download the latest version of a SP flash tool. Next thing you need is a Vcom driver. Okay guys, next thing you need is the Vcom driver. You can search for the Vcom driver for Windows 10, Windows 7, or whichever device you are using. So you can search for Vcom driver for your particular devices you are using, and you can install the Vcom driver. You'll find a number of ways from where you can download the Vcom driver. And even I have left a link in the video description, and even in the comment section down below. It's a pinned post. How do you install Vcom driver in your PC? A step-by-step guide, so you can follow that tutorial to install the Vcom driver. Okay guys, I have told you, here is the SP flash tool, and this is how you get and download, and this is how you can, I have told you how you can download the ROM for your Android device, that you want to flash, and this is the Windows Vcom driver. And I've told you how you guys gonna install the Vcom driver. It will be like this as a setup information. So this is for 64-bit and this is for Windows 10 32-bit. So you can install. How do you install it? I've told you, you can follow the step-by-step guide in the tutorial. I've left a link for the tutorial in the video description and the comment section down below. Pinned post, you can check it. Yeah, once you install the Vcom driver successfully, what you're going to do is next is the SP Flash tool. Once you have extracted it from the zip file, you just have to launch the SP Flash tool. It's the SP Flash tool. Just click on it. So you can see it's a SP Flash tool. It's an application over here. Just click on it and it will start. You can see here's the SP Flash tool. Now let me minimize it. This is a SP Flash tool. Now what you're gonna do? You're gonna choose a scatter loader. So this is the file we have downloaded. This is a ROM we have downloaded, and you'll get a zip file. So you just have to extract the zip file. Open it, and you can see this is a ROM. It's my model number. It's a device model number, my smartphone model number, and here it is. So you're gonna check for your smartphone model number because you have downloaded the scatter. Sorry guys, you have downloaded the firmware or a stock ROM for your model number. So you just have to click on that, and somewhere you're gonna see it's a scatter. You can see it's a mentioned over here. It's Android scatter. It's a text document. So here's the Android scatter. Now you have to load that files over here. Now you can see it's a scatter loading files. Just choose it, and you know the location. Location is right over there in the desktop. It's already selected a desktop. So in the desktop, here it is, my Android version. This is my Android smartphone, and here it is. And here's the scatter loader. It is showing you. Just select that and open it, and you can see it is loading. It has successfully loaded the file. You can see all the scatter loader files are successfully loaded. Now all the scatter loader file, it's successfully loaded. Now what you guys gonna do? You just have to tap this download. Click on download, and you'll see it's grayed out now. Now what you're gonna do? This is a smartphone. Make sure your smartphone is turned off. And now here's the data cable. One end you just have to plug into your PC, and another end. So if your Vcom driver is not installed properly, it might not work. So make sure you have installed the Vcom driver properly. I've left a link in the video description and the comment section down below. You'll follow the tutorial to install the Vcom driver. Now another end you have to plug in to your device. Make sure you plug in properly, and you can see guys there's some kinds of error. Sometimes you may get the error like this. Sometimes it will flash successfully in one step. Sometimes it will not flash successfully in a single step. You get some kinds of error like this. So you just click on OK and unplug your device, and then click on download again, and then you just have to retry it. So you can see again I'm getting the same error. So you can see there isn't any cable communication between flash tool and boot ROM. So it's some kind of cable issue. Maybe your cable is not working properly, or it is your phone is not working properly. Sorry guys, your phone USB port is not working properly. So check your cable properly, and you just have to try it again. Even you check your driver once again, and you have to download the driver for your device and install it into your computer. So if you're still getting the error, you're gonna go to the search and you can manually download one more driver. Is the USB driver. You can type your device name and the model number and download the USB driver from any web. There's a number of web you can download. It's good to go with the official web if you find the driver in the official web, or you can download the driver USB driver from any web and install that USB driver. Once you have successfully installed that USB driver, connect your phone with a cable. Just connect the phone with a cable and a data cable, and check if your PC is detecting the phone. You can go to my computer or this PC and see if it is detecting your phone. just try to disconnect it and connect it to once again and see if it is detecting your phone. You can see, you can listen to the sound and it's not detecting. So in a device, it is supposed to appear over here somewhere, your device name, and since your device do not appear over here, maybe the problem with the your USB port device, USB port, or maybe some kinds of hardware problem. If this is the case, you have to fix that, otherwise you will not be able to flash. Same is the case over here. This is the procedure, this is the method. Every time I download, at first I click on download and everything is grayed out. Now I just connect it to the port. You can say I'll connect it to the port and I'll get the message, and you can see same message. So some kind of port issue, because you have already downloaded and installed all everything driver and everything properly. It is some kind of port issue or the hardware issue because of which you are not being able to flash. This is the procedure, this is the method. Once you have connected it, it will start flashing, and once it has completely flashed your device, you can just disconnect your phone and start using. So while flashing the ROM, you just take care of two things. That one, you need to remove the battery before you proceed, and I guided you how you're gonna proceed with the flashing. And once you start the flashing, you're gonna see the line over here. It will show you the download percentage. When it completes the 100%, it needs to complete the 100%. You will see the line over here. So follow the steps as I have shown you, step by step, all the steps you need to follow till here, and then you have, once it starts flashing, you will see the line over here, and it will it's some yellow color line over here, and it will show you the 100% flashing. So when it downloads the 100%, it completes the 100%, you can just remove the cable from your phone, and you can just turn on your phone and start using. And this is the way how you can flash a stock ROM in your Android smartphone. So guys, if you really like this tutorial, if you found it helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.